In the event of a flat battery, you want to be back on the road quickly, and a jump starter is the fastest way to get your motor running again. SCA offers a range of jump starters capable of cranking over anything from small cars and motorbikes up to high-capacity V8 and diesel engines. There's more to a jump starter than its power output though, which is why the full range of SCA jump starters come with a variety of super handy features. Large or small, every jump starter in the range is equipped with inbuilt short-circuit overload and reverse polarity protection, as well as protection from accidental connection to a 24-volt system. If carrying a full-size jump starter doesn't appeal to you, then check out the SCA compact jump starters. These units are around a third of the size of a regular jump starter, and with a built-in carry handle, they're super portable. They sport 220mm cables, an LED worklight, and a handy USB charging port, which makes them awesome for quickly charging flat devices in the case of an emergency. The 4-cylinder 12-volt jump starter will easily kick over an engine of up to 2 litres capacity. It's powered by an 8 amp-hour AGM battery with a peak output of 800 amps and weighs in at a meager 2.5 kilos. If you need a little more power but want to keep the size down, then the 6-cylinder 12-volt jump starter can put out 1200 amps and is suitable for petrol engines up to 3.5 litres. Larger still, the 8-cylinder model can crank out 1700 amps to turn over petrol motors up to 5 litres capacity. These starters are only a little heavier than the 4-cylinder unit, weighing in at 3.4 and 7.5 kilos respectively, and they have all the same safety features. For use around the workshop, or if you have a bit more space in your vehicle, a full-size jump starter can offer even more power to crank over larger motors. Featuring dual AGM batteries with a total of 38 amp-hours, the 1900 amp jump starter is capable of starting petrol engines up to 5 litres and diesels up to 3.5. It has a durable injection-molded case that features an inbuilt ergonomic carry handle and a bright LED worklight, as well as 120cm long cables for maximum convenience. It has an easy-to-read LED display, as well as sophisticated electronic safety systems, including low current, overheating, and surge warnings. Thanks to a USB outlet as well as dual 12-volt accessory ports, this jump starter can be used as a safe, portable source of 12-volt DC power during emergencies or in remote locations. Finally, the king of all, SCA jump starters. With a massive 2400 amp output, this jump starter is capable of cranking over 8-cylinder petrol engines up to 6 litre capacity and 8-cylinder diesels up to 4.8 litre capacity. Like the 1900 amp jump starter, it has 120cm long copper cables and comes in a sturdy injection molded casing with a convenient carry handle. It has the same bright LED worklight, a USB port, and dual 12-volt accessory ports, as well as an internal battery level indicator with an audible warning system. It also features the same inbuilt spark, surge, and reverse polarity protection as the rest of the range, so despite all of its power, it's still just as safe and easy to use. Charging up any of the SCA jump starters is easy and safe, thanks to the 3-stage charger included with each unit. Now there's no excuse to be stuck with a flat battery or caught without a 12-volt power source. Chuck an SCA compact jump starter in your boot or carry a full-sized unit in your camping rig, and you'll have all the juice you need to keep you going, whether you're out and about or at home in the garage.